Sparrows Capital is a boutique wealth management business that follows evidence-based investment strategies.
And evidence means data. It's not just data, it's data that is supported by robust academic studies. We take a very strategic approach. We are hands-off, we are non-interventionist. We have a practical implementation of portfolios that have spanned the crisis. We understand how they behave and we understand how customers behave.
The Wealth Preservation Suite was designed purely with trustees in mind, based on feedback from trust companies.
We began to understand what the fiduciary duties of these trustees were. The two themes that kept coming up were to preserve and enhance capital.
And based around these requirements, we established that maximum drawdown limits and volatility tolerance limits were crucial in the design process of the product suites.
The Sparrows Capital Wealth Preservation Suite consists of 4 products, both in sterling and dollar.
The 4 products within the suite range from 0% exposure to equity to 45% exposure. So therefore they're at the lower end of the risk spectrum. We use highly liquid, low-cost ETFs within the portfolio. A low fee will have a large impact on your portfolio's performance and returns over time.
It's important for everyone to keep their costs down, but especially for trusts over the long term when their responsibility is to preserve capital over the long term.
I would say the total fee that our investors incur is roughly anywhere between 60 to 70 basis points. And that covers everything. There are no additional fees. A product suite that vary in risk parameters, but also vary in expected returns, I think the trustee can very easily find the one product that suits any individual client he may have.
The Wealth Preservation Suite is relevant to both charitable trusts, foundations, endowments, trusts, and to personal trusts. It tends to be the case that trustees have a fiduciary responsibility to preserve and enhance capital, and anybody in that situation whose first focus is on the preservation of capital should be looking at these products.